how to add an image in Supabase. Navigate to Supabase and you can, for example, connect with your GitHub account, which I did. Now let us create a new project from here. So project name, give it a name of some sort. You can also use a password. I won't. Choose the region and create a new. Oh, I actually need a password. All right, let's create a strong password. Create a new project like this. So it's important to know that Supabase uses storage buckets to store files, including images. You'll need to create one before uploading anything. So just open your Supabase project dashboard and go to the storage tab on the left, which is right over here. Go here. And inside your bucket, you can just click on upload file. So you go to buckets and create a new bucket and name it, for example, storage, and create. Now you go to view files, and now you can upload files, as you can see. And now as you can see, I'm uploading one file, which is going to be an image. I believe it's a JPEG file. Yeah, there you go. You can also view this file. As you can see, it's 6 megabytes. When it's added, etc., etc. And now you're ready to use it in your project. Enjoy, guys. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.